In today's video, I will show you how to install Naruto Ultimate Ninja 4 on your mobile devices. Please make sure to stay super focused and follow all my steps, else it's not going to work.
Let me see how far you've come.
Now, simply start by going to your Play Store and search for PPSSPP. So once you search for this, you're going to see the app. Simply install this app to your device. You're either going to see the normal version or you're going to see the golden version. So just install any one of your choice and then search for Z Archiver. This app is very important. So once you have downloaded this tool to your device, open your PPSSPP emulator for the very first time. So I'm going to open mine. Once open, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Click on OK. That will take you to your main directory. Now all you have to do, just choose any folder that you want it to utilize. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click OK. Now you can see this is the PSP interface, but there's no game here to play. Now this is where Z Archiver comes into play. So I'm going to open my Z Archiver and I'm going to locate my PSP game file. In this case, that's going to be Naruto. So if I go into this section real quick, you can see this is my game file in here. Now please make sure you follow my steps, because if you have to make any mistake, it's not going to work. So tap on it just once, click on extract here, and it's going to start extracting the game file. So let's wait for it to finish doing that. All right, it is done extracting. From to go into this folder right now, you can see there are a couple of files in here. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be moving these files from this folder to our original PSP folder. So let's start with the ISO file. So we're going to hold down on it. We're going to click cut. Then we'll go to our main directory, document PSP. I'll go to the game section and I'll paste my original game file in there. So once I'm done with that, I'll go back into my extracted folder. Now you can see there's also textures, save data, and plugins. So let's do that of texture. So I will go into the textures. I'll hold down on this. I'll cut it. I'll go to my main PSP folder. I'll go into the texture and then I'll paste that in here. Now we'll go to the extracted folder. Please make sure to stay focused. Do not make any single mistake. Sorry, we are in the wrong folder. All right, this is the correct extracted folder. So we are done with textures. We're moving to save data. We'll hold down on it. We'll click cut. We'll go to our original game folder. Mine is in document. All right, now there's just one left in the extracted files, which is the plugins. So we'll hold down on the plugins, cut it, go to our main PSP folder, plugins, we'll paste it in there. All right, so we're done with everything now. So we'll reopen our PPSSPP emulator. You can see there's still no game here because it does not know where we actually kept the game files. So we have to show it. To do that, click on the browse icon at the top. Then simply show it where you kept your game file. Mine is in document PSP game. So I'll click use this folder, allow. Now you can see that the game is there and is ready to play. Now you are going to need some settings that will give you the best FPS and best performance on your device. I already have a dedicated video for that and I'm going to recommend it towards the end of this video. So simply stick to the end so you can get access to the best settings. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Impact. Mission stuff. I've got to hurry. Doesn't hurt to show off once in a while. Haven't got all day. Let's finish this quick. Here I come! You know, it wouldn't hurt to give me a challenge. I'll give you all I got! Lightning blade! Lightning blade! Let me show you my sage power! Mud wall! Lightning blade! Coming!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.